Alrighty then. So, what we got there? 448, 135. Today, Ford van. It's really rainy out there. Pouring. Almost the whole day now. Woohoo! So they want door locks to work on this vehicle. So I went and got some new ones, found some actually, which is very nice. And we're going to coat it up to this key here, whatever that is. Very nice. Just one moment to breathe. Need to get some goggles, better glasses. So prior to this, someone looked at a 86 Corvette. Oy, oy, oy. There's no ignition in it. All the parts were laying in the console. I wanted nothing to do with that car at all. But anyway, look at what they gave me here for a door lock. They wired it up. I don't know, man. That don't look good. I'll cut that off of there somehow. I need these to work better. They don't work very well. They have to work better. So I'm gonna get those working here right away. A little rusty in there. Come on. It's a little bit better. Much better. Look at the rust coming out of there. That's a lot of rust coming out of that. So, let's do this one more time. Get some down in here. All right. Come on. Down that. Let's get her going. Okay. I can't do that for very long. Beautiful though. That's done. They wired this on here. Look at that. Yes. Okay. All right. Maybe I can work with this. I don't know. Let's have a look at this thing here. Have a quick look at this. Oops. Probably loud. Probably hard on your ears there. Sorry, but it happens. Okay. You know, trusty scissors here. If I flip them upside down, they might work better. You never know. That's what Mike says anyway. I said, Mike, you know, he knows. So this is what we're putting in here, 703369. It's a Ford door lock. Woohoo! How nice is that? Oh, it's all stuck in here with static. So I'm gonna rip that off. Let's get you in here a little bit closer. How's that? So if I work right here, you're okay. You can see. No, there, yeah. That low, eh? Okay. Let's give it a go. How low can you go? So all these videos are unedited. Whatever happens here, man, happens. That's all there is to it. That's all I got. Can't do any better than that. And usually everything goes pretty smooth. So once in a while, people come in and swear and stuff. I swear. Can you still see some of that there? Yeah, some. I should actually do both of these at the same time. So I'm gonna crack open that other bag here right away. Probably be a lot easier. Not faster, easier. Easier. And I got 2 springs left over. Beautiful. I'll put those right there. Awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna do it both at the same time. All right, that's gotta go. It's gotta go. Me oh my oh. Yep. Pretty gumbo. So 2 in there. I only need a couple there. 4 at least. 1. I hope I'm doing this in the frame there, but oh my gosh, I'm probably a little bit too high there, wasn't I? I bet. So, where's the key? Buried under here, right here. So the first 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it starts right there. Right where? Right there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's blurry. Hate that. 7, 8. Alright. Now, I'm going to go 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3, 4. 2122. 24. So look at this here. Yeah, so that'll be a 24. Let's do this. Got this kit here. Excuse me. Want all of this here, please. Thank you very much. Put those in there. 4 again. Kit 3. Way too much stuff in here now. 3. Do. Oops. Do. Scissors. Do 1. 1. 1. Springs. I'll put right there. Oh, I have another 1 here. I'll just leave that for right now. 5. And that's that. 1 go there. Okay. Scissors gone. What can I do here? I want this and this. So it's 2, 4. I'll try 2. See if that's right. If it's right, then all the rest is going to be good too. You know what I'm saying? 2. 4. That's a 4, then good enough. 2, 4, 3, 4. 2, 4. And put another 4 in here. And then a 3. Between all that. Better check it. Oh, that. Oh. So it's 2. Oh yeah, I read that wrong. Totally read it wrong. 2, 4, 4, 5. 2, 4, 4, 5. So 3 can go back. The 4 can go back. 2, 4, 4, 5. Let's fix. Have a quick look. Looks pretty good. Let's fix this one before we get too far. 2, 4, 4, 5. 2, 4, 4, 5. So I got 2, 4, 4, 5 That's got to be a 3. Got to be a 3. Can't be any other number. It's got to be a 3. There's 3. Has to be a 3. Can't be anything else but that, really. And the next one, let's use that one right there. Let's say 1. I'm going to say 1. I'm going to try 1. Look at this one. Let's try this one right here. This one. And this one here. Right. Oh, look at that. It's not le 2. It's a 2. Press le 2. Le 2. Uh-huh. Is it a 2? It's a 2. Well, would you look at that? It's pretty close for most of it anyway. Just I read that key wrong right at the start. Threw me way off. Way off. Which is fine. I'm not worried. Now, we got the face cap, some détente thing, and a couple springs for the dust cover is what that is, not the face cap. That's a face cap there. And we got that exact same thing right here, times 2. Le 2. Le 2. Doody doo doo doo. Let's dump that out. Have a quick look at that, Mike. Give it a quick eyeball there. Eyeball it. I'm going to put some goop in here. A wee bit more goop in there. I'm going to put a spring, which will be this beauty right here. Oing, oing, oing. Spring, spring. Come on. And then the détente. 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 That's that so far. These are gonna get that, a little wee bit of that there. Yep. Right like that. This spring goes in here, and then this fits into here. Like so. See that? Why are you not going? Way off. How come? It's gonna turn into there, yeah. So what happened there? No? No? Huh. That's bizarre. Oh, bent in, look at that. Bent right in there. Good thing I've got these things working. Kind of grab it, move it out tiny bit. It's a little bit more straight. I want to make sure that this little rod here that goes through that spring is kind of even on both sides. So I think that's what messed me up there for a second. There we go. That popped in there beautifully. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's still in there though. Wonder if I can grab this and lift it a bit. No, it's pushing it out. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Just going to leave that till it's ready to get put back together. And it popped out anyway. Great. Just wonderful. So put a little bit of grease in there, like so. That spring. This has to go in straight, because if it doesn't, it's, yeah, it bends that little tab. Both sides have to go in at the same time, if possible. Oh my gosh. Here. It's easier for me to work here, like this, so I know where I'm at. Come on, go in there. Go in, yes. Perfect. That's fine. Greasy. Some more greasy. It's gonna get greased up. That détente fits into this piece right there. Like so. For some reason. It just sank down there. Why does it like that? It's not even. That should click and everything. I don't think that spring is pushing up far enough. So let's guess the quality is getting a little bit worse now. Maybe, I don't know. Stretch it out a tiny bit. Come on, ooh, that's a strong one. It's pretty strong. A little spring there. This is going back in. Sticking up a little bit better. See if it. I can kind of feel it now. Good enough. It will work. So this, now this again. Now is that facing down? Looks like it. Tiny bit. Just have to bend it a tiny bit more. Can I do it though? It's such a digging right into my hands. And I did it. I must have done it. We're gonna try it, see if it did do it. Anything. There we go. Yes, it did. Put the key in here, like so. I'm gonna goop that up. Goop. Lots of goop. Beautiful. I'm going to get you to back up a tiny bit. See where you're facing here. And this. You know, I like using for that. These things catch it right in there. way better for me. Hammer's not bad though. Hammer's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Alright. Yeah, now I'm missing it. Way to go. Come on. Oh, the other ones went so well. Why is it not hitting it? There we go. Oh, brother. Hilarious. So, this goes on. This will be... There's a whole bunch of different squares in there. The widest one is here, I think. So yeah, that'll go on there. And this one, same dealie, same deal, like so. Oh yeah, great. Get on there. There we go. That fits ever so nicely. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is going to go on here with this clip, and that's what they lost. Well, actually what would have happened is whatever this rod was connected to probably was rusty, corroded, seized up. And then, yep. Strip this part out. Guarantee it. Stripped it. But that's coating of these guys here. And they're getting back their old lock. Can do whatever they want with it, which is fine. I figured I was going to have trouble finding these locks, but I didn't. I had a... Oh, this has to go on here too. Come on. And these come with black and chrome face caps. So use whatever one you want. Whatever suits your fancy. Oops. That's all gonna go in my Ford kit now. Oh, come on. Have you driven a Ford lately? Catch you on the next one.